Okay, this is going to be a wobbly video. I'm fixing my AC. AC is blowing warm air, so I'm trying to figure out why is it blowing the warm air. And what I Googled, yeah, and then shoot, I can't even talk and think right now. But anyway, try not to let it be wobbly. Anyway, so this is what I find out. It's blowing hot air, so what I learned was that if this is super duper hot, it's the collector or whatever that thing is that. So I took all this apart. So we get into the problem. We ain't wasting no time. I'm not giving you the guys the screws and doing a whole lot of talking. Sun about to go down anyway, because now we're going outside. All right, let's go outside. So I just came from the store. I had to get a catheter. This catheter, $19, no more than $20. Cool. Anywho. So what I also did was go ahead and clean the filter around the air conditioning unit. And I forgot to do one side, so I'm about to do this other side while I get this ready and take the other one off. As you can see, I already jumped the gun, got you guys behind the 8-ball. I already jumped the gun and got the screws off. So the catheter is here, the old one. I'm getting ready to take that bad boy off. But before you do, as I was told to, turn off your power. I turned off the power, so make sure you turn that off before you fool with this stuff. I am not a professional, but I do listen very well. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try and film this while I take this off and place this on, let you guys see it. Like I said, make sure you disconnect your power, turn your power off to this, and yeah, mosquitoes, flies, and all that stuff back here. Flies and stuff coming out the woodwork, boy. So I just cleaned the side of the dirt, got the dirt off of the side of here so that the air conditioner can breathe better. And that disturbed these flies and mosquitoes. Got them all flying in my face. I'm in a little tight quarters, not bad.